So I'm going to show you how to enter and also how to exit recovery mode on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your tablet. So I'm going to power it off and then grab your data cable and connect one end of that data cable to a computer. And it doesn't really matter if it's a Windows computer or a Mac. Just connect the cable on one end and the other end to the tablet. Now, you don't have to use the cable that comes in the box. As long as you have a properly working data cable, you can connect it to a computer on one end and to the tablet on the other end. Now, once it's connected and charging, the next thing you want to do is long press the volume down and the power button. Beg your pardon, that's the volume up and power button until you see the Samsung logo, and then you can let go of the power button and continue holding volume down. We're just gonna push this to the side. So volume up and power button, press and hold together. As soon as the Samsung logo appears, let go of this, continue holding this. So let's do it together. Volume up, power, press and hold. So I'm holding, just waiting for that Samsung logo. There you go. I'm gonna let go and continue holding the volume up button. And that takes us into recovery mode. Now inside recovery mode, you scroll using the volume rockers. So the volume down will scroll down and volume up will scroll up. And to select a certain option, you use the power button. Okay. So for instance, if I want to get out of recovery mode, I'll just make sure I have reboot system now highlighted and then press the power button, and that's going to reboot the system back into One UI. So that is basically how to enter and how to exit recovery mode on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching and good luck.